Good evening, everybody. A warm welcome to you. Hope you'll have a nice time with us, interacting with us. You people are targeting an ambition which requires a lot of energy and dedication. So I want everybody at the top of your game today, okay? And for the next few months that you are going to be with us. So quickly, everybody who has joined, I'm giving you 2 minutes before everybody, huddles up. Give me a brief introduction about yourself, just quickly, so that everybody gets a hang of the people who are around from across the nation. And these people are going to be your friends in the coming months because we are going to mentor you, all of you together. You will be interacting, you will be conversing, you will be discussing questions, ideas in this forum. Okay, so people from Pulwama Islamic University, Mehvish, hello Mehvish, Aniket Jadavpur, fourth year, Tezpur Bhargav, third year, Manisha from Jamia Hamdard, great, Mansi from GB Pant, uh, Devanya from Anna University, Shovan from Jadavpur, Aparna from TANUVAS Chennai, Deepshikha from Schwartz. Great. So we have people from all like every direction, north, south, east, west. So we have a dynamic crowd here today. I'm happy to be able to converse with you, interact with you. So one more quick question before we start formally. That is, from where have you heard about Foodgenics? This name is a very new name in the nation going around. So from where did you guys hear about us? Many people are saying seniors. Okay, Aniket said I heard it from Facebook. Bhargav, our teacher. Okay, great. Shovan, seniors, LinkedIn. Great. So we have been able to reach out to you. That's a good thing. Anyone in this group who has already given gate last year, guys? Did anybody clear the cutoff? Clear the gate cutoff? Okay, very close. Okay. What I say in popular terms, we have a half filled cup here. Okay. So everybody is a half filled cup here. Nobody is a full filled cup. And that is the most beautiful thing, to be a half filled cup. You have still things which you can absorb and learn. And that is what will bring you closer to your success. Okay. So no worries. These no will convert into yeses. We are sure about that. We have about among the 100, almost like 30% clearance rate we had last year only. We just started last year. We had about 10 to 12 people who have already got admission into ICT Mumbai and IIT Kharagpur from our last batch. Before the formalities begin, let me again start with a question. Okay, can you guess what these numbers are on the screen? These abstract numbers put in colorful circles. Can anybody guess what these numbers symbolize, denote?
Ankita is saying passing percentage of gate 17.8.
Close. Correct.
Student number.
Yeah, absolutely. If others didn't know. So as you can see, these are the numbers of students who gave GATE XE, that is the engineering sciences paper in the year 2019. These are the number of GATE XE aspirants in 2020, and these are the number of aspirants in 2021. Similarly, the Excel aspirants are denoted here. So you can see the jump in the number of aspirants over the years in GATE. And so this is the competition that you have to be standing against. These people, when they started their journey, they were exactly like you guys, okay? So they were starry-eyed young guys, confused, overwhelmed by the magnitude of the syllabus and the course and everything. And overall, the competition of GATE that throws at them, they were very worried with that because nobody was there to guide them, to lineate them into a proper course of action. So whatever they did, whatever the achievement you're seeing in this poster, these ranks, and many of them have already got admission in the big institutes of our country right now. Whatever they did with sheer, hard work, consistency, and a little bit of push from Foodgenics family. Today you're here for a reason, okay guys? And it's not us what is driving you or what has brought you to us is the possibility in your minds that one day your faces and your success stories will be featured on these posters. Probably next year we'll be talking about you people. So welcome to today's session. Myself, Shubham Banerjee, an MTech aspirant from Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Welcome to our introductory session. These are the group of mentors that we have, and we have listed it according to the subjects that these people mentor you for. Okay. So myself, I'll be mentoring you with thermodynamics and food products. Arijit, who is the video maker today and also one of our motivational speakers in our group, he'll be helping you with fluid mechanics and food engineering. Ayan, another one, he'll be helping food engineering and engineering mathematics. Anirudh, who has been a past Excel aspirant, will be helping you with chemistry, food chemistry, nutrition, and microbiology. The other group of mentors we have from ICT are Afreen, madam, who will be supporting you with fluid mechanics and engineering mathematics. Deepak, another friend of mine, will be helping you with thermodynamics and food products. Now, Sumantra is a special mentor in our group. He is not from the food technology background. He's from a biotechnology background, and currently he is a bioprocess engineer from ICT, and he will be helping you with the microbiology and biochemistry sections of GATE syllabus. Now, I will just tell you what we think are the reasons you should give GATE and why it is becoming over and over and increasingly relevant. You can see the rise in participants over the years. Do you think they are just following the herd, or do you think they are actually aiming for something very significant? So let's talk about that. So you might get a lot of jobs after BTech in different domains, but if you want to get into the elite most positions, the elite most white collar jobs in food industry, okay, maybe the research and development, maybe the product development sector, or maybe into professorship or academic institutions which require a depth of knowledge, or if you want to go into the bigger names of the FMCG industry, if you want to establish yourself, you need a master's degree. Now, if you pursue GATE from the elite most institutions as mentioned here, what will happen is you will get the best facilities, you'll get the best faculties, you'll get the best kind of alumni support, which is required for you to broaden your horizons in the industry, in the field of food technology and food engineering. Now, this is the basic introduction. I will give the podium to Ayan.
Thanks a lot, Shubham. So now the big question, like today, all of you have joined us in this webinar. So the main focus for this webinar is that what Foodgenics is going to offer, right? Let me just first tell you few aspects which are very important when you are preparing for GATE. The first and foremost thing is that only having knowledge is not important to crack GATE. Like I have seen many people around me who are very knowledgeable, and I expected that they will also crack GATE. But I have noticed few things, that strategy is the most important thing. When you are going to start your preparation, from that day only, it is very important to train your mind for that 3 hours. Okay, the GATE exam is of 3 hours. So like after 6-7 months, you will be having GATE 2022. Okay, but it's not like that. Just a week before or a month before, you will start training your mind that okay, how I will sit for the 3 hours exam. It's not like that. From the very beginning, from when you are going to start your preparation, from that day itself, you have to train your mind. So there are total 4 subjects. So you have to score really well in those 4 subjects, because it's not like that only mastering one subject will help you in GATE. You never know which paper will be very difficult in those 3 hours. So what you have to do is, from the very beginning, you have to train your mind to like remember all the things at the same time. So what we will be doing is, okay, we'll be giving you an action plan for 1 week. Okay, so what that action plan is all about. Okay, so in action plan, we will be giving you different topics from all the four subjects, okay? All the four subjects, general aptitude, food technology, maths, or whatever, chemistry, or some other subject, okay? We'll be giving you different topics. We will be allotting you time period, like that you have to give 10 hours to that particular topic in the week, and we will be telling you exactly what you need to study, from where you need to study. We will provide you resources, okay, like PDFs and like videos and all. And also sometimes what happen is that like people don't know where to limit themselves, so we will be giving you exact page numbers, exact paragraphs, exact section numbers, that from which section, which page number, or which paragraph you need to study and restrict yourself, okay? It's not like that we have given you the webinar so it's done. It's not like that. We will create a platform for you where you can discuss all your doubts, you can post your questions, you can like ask anything, okay? And like just out of the records I am saying, even like sometimes if you are not understanding, we have even assisted our previous students through phone calls and everything. Yeah. So as I have already told you, so our thing will be a weekly basis thing, okay? So we have divided the entire course of GATE in 12 weeks. 12 weeks means 3 months. Your main motive should be, from all the topics, you should be able to solve the very easy questions, because in GATE, trust me, 40 to 50% questions are very easy, and people are unable to do it just because they don't cover the syllabus. They go into the exam without completing their syllabus. And you also have to revise the things multiple times, so that at the end of like 6-7 months from today, all the things are there in your mind. During the exam you should be confident enough, yes, this is the formula, I am not forgetting anything, this is the formula and answer will come using this formula only. That confidence you should have during the exam, and for that you have to complete your syllabus within this 3 to 4 months. So we have given you a 3 months timeline, and after that you will utilize your time for revising and strengthen some of the topics in which you feel you are weak. So I hope I was able to give you a very good idea about it. And let me tell you, we are the first in the nation to apply this, and we also have a successful result this year, as Shubham already showed you in the very initial slides. Many people from last year's batch get into some reputed institutes and have cleared GATE. Okay, so like this is all from my end. Maybe we can have the Q&A session where you can ask different doubts and all. Any doubts regarding your subject choice? Many of you must be having doubt regarding whether to take XC or whether to take XL, or suppose in XC whether I should go for fluid, whether I should go for thermo, whether I should in XL should go for biochemistry, whether for microbiology. If such kind of doubt is there, please clear it.